What if a person stops eating? Not for 1 day, not for 3 days, but a whole week without eat. Just imagine, no breakfast, no snack, no dinner. What will start to happen inside your body? We'll find out now. Day 1. At first, the body uses its glucose reserves. You feel slightly hungry and irritable. It becomes more difficult for you to concentrate. Food begins to seem especially enticing, and every minute seems longer. By the end of the day, glycogen stores begin to run out. And this is only the first day. Day 2. Glycogen runs out and the body switches to burning fat. Weakness and dizziness appear. The smell of food becomes unbearably attractive. Your brain is trying to adapt to hunger. You understand, this is not just a slight hunger. Day 3. Ketosis begins. The body produces alternative fuel. Hunger comes in waves, but the brain becomes clearer. The body saves energy and resources. Energy decreases. Movements slow down. And this is only the third day. Day 4. Weight decreases. The body loses fat reserves. Muscles begin to weaken and movements become slow. Every movement requires effort. Fatigue accumulates. Day 5. The body saves energy. The heart beats more slowly. Dizziness increases. Thoughts become slow. Digestion almost stops. The body conserves resources. Day 6. The body has adapted, but the weakness is almost constant. The brain greatly conserves resources. Concentration and reaction are slowed down. You feel like every minute becomes a challenge. And here it is, the last day before the final. Day 7. On the 7th day, the body adapted to the minimum energy. Every organ works economically. Every cell retains its strength. You understand that 7 days without food changed not only the body, but also character, willpower, and an understanding of what it means to survive. Now, be honest, could you go 7 days without food? Tell us in the comments which day you'd give up on. And if you enjoy these kinds of experiments, like and subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Bye bye.